Good day everyone. Today I'll be talking about 4 key guestology terminologies that can help us deliver exceptional customer experiences. First, guestology is the study of understanding guest needs and behaviors to create memorable experiences. Next, guest expectations are the preconceived notions guests have about their experience. Meeting or exceeding this expectation is crucial for satisfaction. Third is guest touch points are all the interactions guests have with our business, from online research to post-stay feedback. Each touch point is an opportunity to impress. Lastly, emotional engagement is about creating an emotional connection with guests, making them feel valued and understood. This leads to loyalty and positive words of mouth.